Good morning, everyone. This is Clarice Alicdan.
And I'm Angelo Villar.
And this is CBA News Yesterday. Not today,
Not tomorrow,
but yesterday. This is our latest headlines for today.
The case of Enel Pastor has been closed. Andre Blatch can play in the Asia World Cup for Team Gilas. CBA team won in the FIBA World Cup.
Here are all his response to our interview.
Good job, George. That was a good one. Donaire. Good afternoon, everybody. See, I'm not really good at talking with my mouth. I talk with my hand most of the time. But Rex, good job. That was pretty funny, and you know, you have really good personality. So everybody's gonna love you here in the Philippines, and the up and comers as well. Good luck to you guys. First, I want to thank Top Rank and ABS-CBN for giving me this opportunity to be here, and for this opportunity to fight, as well as Venetian. You know, I'm very excited to be out there. I'm ready to see the beauty of Venetian in Macau. So I'm very excited for that. And as well, Ala Jim, Michael Aldiger, and Tony Aldiger. Thank you guys. You guys have been such amazing people. And you know, thank you guys, and as well as the Lorde Gym, as well as the Lordes for opening the gym as well. Well, where do I start? 2012 was an amazing year. 2013 was a year of thoughts, a year of what do you call this? A year of my crossroads. It's a year where was I? Questioning who I was and what I wanted to do with boxing. It was a year of contemplation. It was a year of realizing what was truly important for me. Was it my son? Was it my family? Was it the belt? Have I gotten to the point, the pinnacle of Nonito Donaire, the Filipino Flash, winning Fighter of the Year in 2012? So those were the questions that flew in my head, that was hovering over my body and my mind. And I believe that 2013 needed to happen in order for me to be here. And I believe that I'm ready and willing to unleash the true potential of what I am capable of doing. I've been winning for 12 years straight until I had a wall that I'm climbing over. And then the fight with Darchinyan was a fight that really made me realize if I wanted to be there. With injuries in my body, injuries in my face, I realized that, you know, I want to do this. This is what I want to do. I live for the joy of people watching me, and that's why I want to be there. I want to give everything that I got for my fans, for my country, and for the people that love boxing. I want to represent boxing, that it's a beautiful sport. And hopefully that I can bring that beauty of boxing and excitement in Macau, and then hopefully the fans in Macau, China, and around the world will be able to see the beauty of boxing. And hoping with my dad now, working with my dad, to be able to unleash my true potential. With, not to say that I have not done the best that I can, but I believe that I can still bring out a lot more. And hoping that this is my redemption, or is it my path? That's a question I ask going to this fight. But I know that this is the path that I have chosen, and that is to become a world champion again, and to give the people excitement, to give the people something to look forward to, and to give boxing what it deserves, which is a beautiful sport. Not just a sport that people can look up and just disagree on, or whatever it may be that they think. But I believe that boxing is a beautiful sport, and I will represent the best that I can with the guys here from China, and I know that they're going to show what they're capable of. So I'm very excited, and hope as well. I want to represent boxing in a traditional way that the Chinese fans can see that it's a beautiful sport as well. So hopefully that we can, with everyone here, we can bring excitement and glory to boxing and to everyone else. So hopefully we can do that, and that's what we want to do, is bring excitement to everybody. Again, sa lahat ng mga Pilipino, sana manood po kayo sa laban ko, ABS-CBN. Kung makapunta kayo sa Macau, please do so. Kung sa tanang mga Bisaya din ha, agtura mo. Nagpasalamat ko sa inyong tanan sa inyong pag-continue support o pag-ampo. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Sa aktres, panahon na rin para pag-aralan ang isyu ng pagbabalik ng death penalty. Exclusive nagpapatrol, Mario Dumawal.
Kasi nobody deserves to.
Halos pagsakluban ng langit at lupa si Cherry Pie Picache sa walang awang pagpatay sa kanyang ina. Close casket na nakaburol ngayon sa Arlington, Quezon City, si Ginang Sinayda Season.
We can only hope and pray. Mabigyan ng justice yung nangyayari sa mami ko. I think no human being deserves that.
Napakahirap din anyang magpatawad. Sa lumalalang crime situation, umaalingaw-ngaw din kay Pai ang panawagang ibalik na ang death penalty.
We hope na it can be a wake-up call. Sabi ko nga, Kuya Mario, iba rin talaga ang Diyos. You talk about forgiveness. You talk about Kasi anti-death penalty ako eh. But now, iniisip mo, di ba, yung parang what drives people to commit all this violence. So, lahat yun mapuput into test sa'yo in times like this.
Can you forgive, Pai?
I don't know now. But, di ba, you pray and you continue to pray kasi wala kang kakapitan eh. Siya lang. Pero pasensya. Kaya hindi buo sa puso mo na masagot ko yung tanong mo.
Halong iyak at tawa si Pai sa pag-alala niya sa ina na hanggang sa huli ay naging sandigan niya.
Ang buhay niya umikot lang sa mga anak niya. She reared us, the four of us. Na lahat na ibigay niya na palaki niya kami tama na pag-aaral ng mabuti. I'm 44. hanggang ngayon siya pa nag-aasikaso at nagbabayad ng PhilHealth ko, health insurance
Diligent.
ko.
She's very diligent.
Maalaga sa mga anak niya.
At masosyal sa'yo.
At masosyal sa masosyal sa akin, mas balidosa. Oo, lagi yung nagagalit. Alam mo, pag lumalabas kami, pag makakain kami, full makeup yun, nakaayos. Ako, ito na. Sa gaganyan yan, ano ka ba, mag-lipstick ka naman.
Hindi rin maubos ni Pai kung bakit may nangahasa ina, gayong ilang dekada na itong nakatira sa Scout Quezon City area.
She's the mommy of that street. All walks of life na kakausap niya. Minsan kasi ang ano natin, yung wag na lang, ayoko nang makialam. Pero nakikiusap kami, nagmamakaawa ko. May alam kayo, ipagbigay niyo lang, makakatulong.
Mariah Carey. Glitter.
Sang it.
Baby, it's all in your mind.
Sing.
Baby, it's all in your mind.
All smiles here in Macau with Manny Pacquiao. Good to see you again. It's been a little while. Last time you fought here a year ago, great reception, a ton of Filipino people here to support you. How happy are you to be back here and going to be fighting here in November?
I'm so happy and excited for to fight again here in Macau, and I believe that there is a lot of Filipino again to watch the fight.
Your opponent, Chris Algieri, what do you know about him? I know you mentioned on the dais that you had a chance to watch his fight against Ruslan Provodnikov. It was a very close fight, but he showed that he's tough. He came back from knockdowns. He fought with one eye practically in that fight. What did you see from Chris Algieri in that fight?
He did his best, and he's very tough. He fight back, even he got knocked down in the first round, but he stand and fight back to focus to the fight.
You stood next to him for the first time. I kind of made a little joke. He kneeled down to be eye to eye with you. He's got that height advantage on you a little bit. Any concern for you there?
Concern, no. It's not new for me to fight a taller like that. So not a problem.
I think he's even taller than Margarito was. I mean, he's definitely taller than Brandon, but might be the tallest opponent that you faced.
Might be. He's the tallest opponent I ever face.
Now, as you prepare, Freddie mentioned you're going to have camp in the Philippines the whole time. Obviously, you've been playing a little basketball over there. You still haven't played me one-on-one yet, but we'll get to that. Is that any bit of a distraction for you, playing, coaching? Obviously, you have a new baby, everything back at home, or that's where you want to be?
That's what I want to be. It's not distraction. I'm enjoying doing that, and I'm happy. So it gives me inspiration to focus more, to give my best in training.
So it does inspire you, because a lot of people think, how is Manny going to get excited for this fight? He's fighting a guy that doesn't even deserve to be there. He's fought some of the best. He's 8-time world champion. How does he continue to get the inspiration and the will and the want to continue to fighting?
Well, I get that from the fans, the support of the fans, and also the family, and of course my desire is boxing. My passion is boxing. So.
You're going to keep the hair long for the fight, or you're going to cut it? What are you going to do?
You like the hair?
I do. I do like the hair. A little like Steve Nash, you know?
Okay.
Thanks, Manny.
Thank you.
Tayo ay matanda na, nga na ay hindi tayo magbago Kailanman, nagaan man ang nakalipat, natatawa ko pag ako natatawa hindi mapigil Anong lyrics, Anong lyrics sabi, Ang ating pangako na ang pag-ibig mo'y laging tayo Mabili Happy kayo, nauto nyo ko Ututo Saya Saya